OnPassive Founders Let Us send a ton of love and gratitude to Mr. Mufareh and his India staff. The staff assembled in India is par excellence. Nothing or no one can match the skills and talent of those creative geniuses. They are designing products that are changing the way business is conducted online and offline. Every product has been created from the ground up. The products may resemble those being used today on the internet by other companies. But stop. That is where it ends. The codes they use to design the more than 50 products cannot be traced, tracked, copied by the competition. We are blessed to have this technologically advanced staff, employed by the brains behind the operation of OnPassive Mr. Mufareh. OnPassive is the cutting edge of this monumental technology. India is the epicenter that is causing the disruptive power of OnPassive, being felt by companies not named OnPassive. How could all this brilliance be in one area? Mr. Mufareh is how. Mr. Mufareh has the innate ability to assemble people who he wants to accomplish his vision. The gifted staff in India has taken artificial intelligence and machine learning to unbelievable levels. The competition stands helplessly on the sidelines. They are unwilling spectators, because there is nothing they can do to stop OnPassive. OnPassive will reclaim the rights of people to use the internet, making it better for all users. Not just the privileged few, about 3%, who are successful. Thanks to this incredible staff of dedicated and tireless workers, the internet will be a better, prosperous and safer place to work and socialize. In everyone's life, there is an event or moment that stands out in their hearts and minds. For OnPassive's founders, this is it. OnPassive is rewriting the history book of internet accomplishments. The technical team in India has risen to heights never thought could happen, let alone accomplish. OnPassive is the transformative game changer for all internet users, but the game breaker for all the competition. Thanks to this life and business-altering staff in India, the competition will never catch up. OnPassive will always be evolving and refining and designing its digital products to benefit the world of internet users and beyond. The staff in Hyderabad city in India, known as High Tech City, did not just happen to be in the neighborhood looking for employment. These high-tech masters came from phenomenally successful companies from all over India. Why did they come to work for OnPassive? We know the answer. Mr. Mufareh and his hiring staff in India are like miners looking for gold nuggets. They dig and sift, and after all the digging and sifting with water, they discovered the golden nuggets. The golden nuggets are the ones hired as the technical staff in India. They are treasured and loved by all OnPassive's founders and Mr. Mufareh and his family. From the very bottom of our collective hearts, thank you. Thank you. You are in OnPassive's Hall of Fame. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.